Yo, welcome back to another video. Today, guys, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to create a ESX Fivem server. So we're gonna start from the bottom up, and we're gonna get it going. All right. So what do you want to do when you want to create an ESX server? See, I already have some. I have this as like a backup right here. I have this vMenu server. Well, I'll probably do a series if you guys comment for that. But what you want to do when you're creating a ESX Fivem server is you can go right here, folder, and then put whatever you want your name of the server to be. So, say I want it to be named, let's name it, alright, test. I named it test, right? And then, now you want to go in here, create a new folder, right here. You're going to name this folder, artifacts. Alright, it's named artifacts. Now, what you want to do is you can go to the Fivem net page right here. This is how I would do it. You go to create your own server, create a server, and you would do create a server using TX. Then you want to click on this right here. It'll take you to this this website right here. This will be in the comment section, and you either want to get this one right here. So we're just gonna download this one. I already have one, so it's gonna, it's gonna say the one if you already have one. We're gonna wait for it to load. Okay, now I got my server artifacts right, and I got my stuff set to artifacts on my Fivem server. And you can go right here, do Control A, and just drag and drop it. Boom. Now, be careful. Now you want to go down to artifacts and find FX server. I'm just gonna let you guys know, do not share your screen while doing this because this will leak your IP address. So, let me get this on. So, got my web browser right here, right? I'm just gonna close this. I don't need that up right now. I'll use this one. And I'm gonna open FX. It's gonna say Windows protect your PC. Okay. You can click more info and then run it away. Now I'm just gonna take this off the screen for my sake because I don't have a VPN. So, now it'll show this up. Make sure you allow access. And this is just allowing them to open a web page, which will be this. It'll automatically open this and put the code that's in your FX server, so you don't have to customize it or anything. So just leak account. Boom. Continue. Alright, now it's going to show up this. What you want to do is you can go to your Discord. You want to switch to dev mode, and you can copy user ID. Make sure to switch to dev mode. Or if you're in a Discord server and you're admin in it and you're just trying to create a server, right? Let's go. Right here. Who cares? Put a dot, right? And then you're gonna click on this. Right? It'll show up like a thing right here. It's like a. Yeah, it's not gonna show up for me because I'm the only one in here. Oh, it will. Right here. You would go right here, right? And you would copy the ID. Boom. And let's go to TSN. Paste the ID. And then you can create a password, but since I already have a password, I just put the password that I set originally. Or you could, it's optional. You do not have to put a password. Alright, boom. Click register. Now it's going to show up this. So we can name whatever our Fivem server wants to be. So, like, our name is test. test server. Next. Right now we're gonna be doing popular recipes. We can get into existing server data later, but we're gonna do popular recipes. And then you're gonna click ESX Legacy. Alright, boom. It has our file. It automatically finds our empty file for our Fivem server because it has the artifacts folder in it. Save. Go to recipe deployer. Next. Now, what you want to do here is you're going to go find your server registration key. So go to this link right here. And I'm going to go deactivate one of these keys. So, then you want to go to generate key. This will be deleted after, so boom, I got the key. And you want to go back here, copy that key by either right clicking and pressing paste or Control C. Run recipe. Now, all you gotta do is wait it load. Alright, I'll get back to y'all when it loads. Alright, now your file should pop back up to your screen. It'll open a new window. I don't know why I did that for me, but open a new window for me. Now you want to press next. And over here, you can change your server's name. I'm going to leave it the same. And, oh, let me go over this. This is basically how many people can join your server. If it's over 7, you cannot run custom clothing unless you buy a subscription. Alright? It'll automatically put you into a principals and stuff so you can join. And yeah, for right now, we don't need to worry about any of this, so we're just gonna save and run server. Alright. Now, if you want to put OX inventory in, we'll do that real quick. Alright, so just search up OX inventory, and then you'll go right here. Click this GitHub link. Alright, make sure you click this to make sure you're on it, and just download this. Alright, now you got OX inventory. Now, what you want to do is you can go by. Now you can search up OX target. This is the third eye. If you play Fivem, this is the third eye. So you want to click on this. Do not download like this unless you know what you're doing or if there's no releases. Alright? So if there's a release, click on it. Scroll all the way down and boom. You downloaded it. Make sure you open. I keep mine organized where when I'm done dragging and dropping the script, I'll just close it and it'll pop up the next one. So we'll go to our server, right? Go right here, go to resources, core, or you can even add your own. But the way I organize it, you can organize it however you want. It just, if there's a readme file in the script, make sure you read it so it will help you. Alright, what I do is I go to here, or you can go, there's like a new folder thing. Yeah, new folder. But I go here, and you gotta use brackets. That's the way that it's easier to organize. OX. Boom. Now, you would go right here to OX target. OX inventory. You're not done because it's not gonna work without oxlib. So what we need to get is oxlib. And just search up oxlib. Got oxlib. Click on the link. Release. Boom. It's gonna say, it's gonna have the numbers because I done downloaded it already. for my other servers. Alright, boom. Got the aux. I forgot to say, you need some type of zip extractor, like WinRAR. And I recommend WinRAR because it's the best and it's free. So go right here to Oxlib, drag that and drop it straight into OX. Boom. So now you have your core features that are going to help you with your server. And what you need to do is go right here, go to server config, make sure you have Visual Studio Code. I just right click it and open it with Visual Studio Code, or you can do it over Notepad, but Visual Studio Code is recommended. It's easier, more organized. So go right here to Visual Studio Code. Let me full screen this. Alright, now we got our Fivem server right here. And we can go to right here. Just click it about 3 times. And then there should be this little gap. So at the end of your ensure there's a gap, and just click it 3 times. And then in the middle, what you want to do is hashtag so it doesn't go over OX. Or you can put OX inventory, whatever you want, just make sure you have the hashtag. Now, what you want to do under it is ensure OX. Another way you can do this is going to here and pressing rename or right clicking it and Control C, copying it, and then putting it in here. Boom. That's another way you can do it. Sometimes it be tweaking out, so I be having to do start OX underscore inventory, start OX underscore lib. It's oxlib, but I'm saying it OX because that's the way that I pronounce it. See, there's this extra gap in here. I'm just gonna get rid of that. Start ox and ox target. The way your ensure works does matter. So we need to go right here, copy and paste this, delete this, go behind here, create a new line right here. Boom. You can create a new line by doing shift enter, and you got to do it behind the start of OX inventory if you're following exactly along, and then you would put oxlib at the start. Alright. Now, what you want to do is you want to go back to your Edge browser, whatever browser you're using. Go to txadmin, restart the server. Now, your server is restarting. See, everything's going fine. Starting resources output, starting resources. You see? Alright. Now, after you're done, you can go close all this, and open your Fivem. So now that your Fivem is opening, you can just sit here and wait, and let's get into it when the Fivem opens. Alright, now you're gonna see this. Now you can either do /connect, you can do FA connect code. Yeah, you can do FA connect code, and not connect code, but connect localhost. But it should pop up this. You just want to click this, or you can join off of this. Alright, boom, we're loading in. This is just the basic loading screen without having to put it in the loading screen. If you guys want a loading screen video, comment it down in the comment section. Alright, it shouldn't take long. You should load in. This is your regular ESX identity. You can name your character whatever you want. Alright. Now, this is just your basic character creation. We don't have to worry about that right now. I can help you guys get the custom character creation. But for right now, we're fine. So right now, this is your basic Fivem server with your basic ESX HUD and everything. Your OXM does work, and your third eye, as shown in the video. If you want to give yourself guns or create any shops, all you gotta do is /give item, your ID or whoever's ID, and if you're trying to give somebody like a pistol or a weapon, most gun packs you would do weapon in all caps, underscore and the gun name. Just to let you know, if you're starting off an ESX server, you will not have custom guns when you start. You'll just have the regular GTA guns, so you will have to add those to your server. Now, what you say, I want to give myself a pistol, and I'm going to do /give item, 1, weapon, all caps, underscore, pistol. And then I can just press enter, and I got myself a pistol. If you need ammo or anything else, you can do /give item, 1, ammo, -9. You can all update this in the OX inventory data folder, and I'll show you guys how to do that in a minute. What you want to do, if I want to give myself ammo, boom, got myself some ammo. Reload my gun, I can shoot it. Alright, let me show you guys the data folder in your OX inventory. So what you want to do is you want to go to, you can go ahead and go to your files, OX inventory, data, and this is where you'll update everything. So weapons right here, this is where you go find all your weapons commands, all your bullets, everything you need. You can all upgrade this stuff. And if you want to go over to shops right here, this is how you create new stores and stuff. You see locations for all these shops. You can change your licenses, items, evidence, crafting, animations, anything you want through this data folder. If you need anything else, there's the README right here. Web, build, and this is how you change your images and stuff. In the next video, I will be showing you guys how to add a custom gun pack. And yeah, that's it for the data. Let's move on to the next topic. You can do /tx and get a no clip. No clip around, fly around, spawn in a car. You should know by now that your server doesn't start with custom cars, just regular GTA cars. So just spawn me in a GTA version of a Lamborghini. Seatbelts work, everything. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. If you guys want any more videos, make sure to comment. And without further ado, I don't have a emo menu in here, but goodbye.